welcome you to my channel. Now, before moving forward, let me ask you one question. That is, do you have wavy, curly, or coily hair? If yes, then keep watching. The natural texture of my hair lies somewhere between wavy and curly, but my whole life I have longed for straight hair. As long as I can remember, I have always straightened my hair on all small and big occasions. Temporary hair straightening has been my go to solution for my frizzy and wavy hair. The Indian hair market is stuffed with products that promote straight hair. Most brands advertise shampoos and conditioners to get silky, smooth, and straight hair. Now, straight hair have been the default style in our society, a society that made me believe that beauty starts with straight hair. Whenever I go to a hair salon to get a haircut, the hairstylist would recommend me to get hair smoothenings, keratin treatments, silk therapies, and whatnot to get silky and smooth hair. My addiction to straight hair made my hair look frizzy, dry, and lifeless. The influence was so much that I always tried to fit in the straight hair community. I experimented with different hair products. I applied certain DIY hair masks that made with bananas, eggs, and literally almost everything I could find in my kitchen cabinet. Thank God I came across this curly girl method on YouTube, or else I would have even applied chaat papri on my hair to get straight hair. Okay, jokes apart, I came to know of this curly girl method just a month back. I know I am a sort of late bloomer here not knowing about this method because curly girl method have been in the community for quite a long time. I read about curly girl method numerous times but never thought of digging deep into it because I was so obsessed with straight hair. Now, if you are someone like me, then let me briefly explain you what is this curly curl method. It is basically an approach to hair care routine that advocates not to use chemicals in your hair. It emphasizes on using sulphate-free shampoos and silicone-free conditioners, and to use microfiber towels instead of the terracotta ones to blot your hair, and also to use a diffuser when blow drying. In fact, there are numerous websites that gives you tips and tricks on how to care for your curly hair. My research on curly girl method is still ongoing and I will keep you updated about my research in the videos. I have switched to sulphate free shampoo and silicone free conditioner, and in fact my shampoo and conditioner they are paraben free and also mineral oil free. So I use a t-shirt to blot my hair, and lately I haven't used any sort of heel to style my hair because I'm trying to follow the curly girl method. Now, along with all this, I have incorporated the use of Cantu moisturizing curl activating cream into my hair care routine. Now, this Cantu curl activating cream, it is free from sulfates, parabens, silicones, or mineral oil. In fact, it is free from all the chemicals. Now, this cream, it gives a beautiful definition and hold to your hair that lasts longer. It defines your curls, keep them nourished and hydrated all day long. So now these are my Cantu curls. I'm still experimenting with the amount of cream that I use each time in order to get a full and a better head of curls. So I'll come up with the full-fledged review of Cantu curl activating cream in a few days. But so far I have liked using Cantu curl activating cream in my hair. Cantu made me believe that my hair are not at all dry, frizzy or naturally unruly. Now I feel like I have wasted years of my life with chemically processed, frizzy, dry hair when I could have had low maintenance, amazingly beautiful, natural looking hair. And what's not to like? Give Curly Girl method and contour a try and you'll know what I mean. Now before you move on to the next video, please hit the red subscribe button to watch the upcoming videos on my channel. Till then, bye bye.